So I'm going to take the low blood sugar sample. I just have a tiny portion of it again so that I don't contaminate the entire sample. So I just cut it into about the size of a chocolate chip. And I'm going to rub it on the back of my leg right here. I could do it on the bottom of my feet. I'm choosing to do the back of my leg this time. And I'm just going to rub it slightly there. And then I would return the sample to a different container so that I don't contaminate the entire sample. And then I'll bring Philly in and I'm going to put her on place and just let her be there, see if she smells anything. And if she doesn't, I might give her a few subtle cues. I don't want to make them too obvious because I don't want to have her rely on my body language. But at the same time, I want to set her up for success, and I don't want her to accidentally learn to ignore this scent that she's smelling. And this is also a little bit difficult for her because I did put her on place, and she's pretty good at it. She's not solid by any means, but she is pretty good at it, so I'm essentially asking for different cues at the same time. I told her to stay on place, but then now I'm waiting for her to break place. But that's okay because we want them to learn pretty early on that they're allowed to break place in order to alert. You don't want a dog that refuses to alert if they're on a place, because that means that they'll be ignoring these low blood sugars pretty frequently. Hey, Phil, here. There you go. Good girl. And I'm going to turn slightly more so she can smell it a little bit better. She's letting out some whines. And now she's offering behaviors, which is excellent. You can see from her body language she's really attentive, and she's whining a little bit, and she got off place. She's laying down because I do ask her to lay down a lot. So she's kind of offering behaviors like she knows something's up, but she's not entirely sure what to do, which is perfect. So pretty soon here I'll give her a subtle cue of maybe what to do. Maybe so I'll probably point towards the back of my leg to try and draw on that attention to that area, and then see how she reacts to that. What do you think? So I'll let her. Yes! Good girl! Good job! Yes! Good low! Excellent! So that was excellent. As soon as she figured it out, she knew to paw. So that was wonderful. And I'm going to keep encouraging her to sniff and paw. Just like we've done with the other steps, I want her to both sniff and paw. So I'll draw her attention to it again. Yes, good girl. Nice job. Yes. And I'm going to reward every time she does it. Good girl. Yes. Beautiful. And again, I'm going to try and reward at the scent source, which in this case, yes, is the back of my knee, so that she's continuing to pair the scent source with this high value treat. Yes. Nice job. Yes.